While everyone focuses on big AI like ChatGPT and Gemini, Google Labs has been quietly building a whole suite of experimental AI tools you can try right now, and many of them are free to use. Google Labs is Google's experimental playground where new AI ideas become hands-on tools you can test. Think of it as a peek into the future of AI before products become mainstream. First up is CC, an experimental AI productivity agent that lives inside Gmail. It connects to Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and more to send you personalized daily briefings and help you work more efficiently. Next, there's Disco, a web AI tool featuring something called GenTabs, which can take your open browser tabs and turn them into custom web apps or personalized tools. It's like asking AI to build the exact tool you need from the web. Then we have Doppl, an experimental app that lets you try on clothes virtually using AI. Upload a photo of yourself and see how outfits look. A big step for online shopping. There's also the Google app for Windows with AI mode built in, meaning you get AI search, browsing help, and more directly on your PC with shortcuts and smart answers. Google Labs doesn't stop there. There are dozens of experiments under Explore, Learn, Create, Develop, Play categories, including ideation boards, generative creativity tools, and experimental coding tools that you can browse right on the Labs page. The big takeaway? These aren't polished products yet. They're tests and prototypes, but they give us a glimpse of what AI tools will be doing for productivity, creativity, shopping, and web usage very soon. You can try all of these on Google Labs' official website. Comment Labs if you want me to do hands-on reviews of each tool.